What's going on, y'all? Check me out here. This is my official movie room.
This is what my setup is looking like right now. It's not overly complicated, but it is extremely comfortable and cozy. What we were really going for in here is something that was versatile, because some days we're relaxing with our family and friends in here, and then other times this is more like a chill space. First thing first, we gotta talk about the TV.
My new Samsung Neo QLED 4K TV.
So I've had this now for a while. Big thank you to Samsung for sponsoring this video and hooking me up with this missing piece in here. So this model, it has a specific feature on it that I've been testing out a bit called Vision AI. It works in a couple of different ways up here, and it's really kind of like impacted my overall experience, but in a good way. AI motion enhancer is being used for smoother action like sports, color booster, or if you want a more vivid image. It also has 4K upscaling, but this has saved me time from like messing with the settings and going down a rabbit hole trying to find what I need. Now, the audio, it has been great. I like the active voice amplifier because it helps give clear audio to someone who is speaking, which is perfect for, you know, my fellow subtitle people out there. I like to have the little captions on, so this is gonna help a bit. It makes it so you can actually hear what's going on without having to adjust the volume. And Vision AI overall, I found is really interactive. Like I can live translate different shows by asking, translate this show. It'll actually go through and do it in real time. But the generative wallpaper, that definitely has to be one of my top 3 favorite features. I just love the way it looks like art on my wall when I'm not watching TV. The way you can kind of look at Vision AI is like all of these elements that are automatically working in the background, so things look right, sound right, and it's easier to use. Now you couple this TV with some cozy lights and a comfy couch, we are on the start of a perfect vibe. Now there are other things that I want to add in here that I have been kind of plotting on for a while now, such as some movie posters on the wall, and just add some more ambiance with like some more cozy lights. But I love the paint choice that we went with in here. My brother actually had came up with it. The wall behind the TV is black. Other walls in the room and the ceiling are a very deep blue. So with this combination, it just helps maintain this movie room vibe without it feeling too moody when it's not being used as one. And needless to say, I could go down a rabbit hole about the plans for this room, but y'all let me know something else that we can add in here, and I'm gonna make sure that I link down below in the description box
The Samsung Neo QLED 4K TV.
And thank you to Samsung for helping bring this vision more to light in here in our movie room. But y'all, until the next one, as always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.